All right, everybody. My name's Peachy. I'm here with another epic street meal. I got my cameraman Clancy here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna scope out some new meals. We're gonna showcase those meals to you. Let's do it. Ooh. You see that, cameraman? We got ourselves a nice little bag of Cheetos over here. And, fuck, you see that? Get a good shot of that. Those goddamn kids, they take the Cheetos off the ground, they eat them, scarf them down. You don't know what's been in there. I do. I'm the street meals guy. You see that? You see that? Let's go get a load of that. You saw that just as well as I did, right? All right. Man, what the fuck is this? Who's that? Who's that? What the fuck? You see that, man? You see that going in there? What's going up? We're gonna climb up. All right. Oh, Nelly. There was nobody up there. I looked up and down, I checked the place left and right. Nobody's in sight. You see that? What the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? You saw that, right? That's fucking crazy. Come on, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna check out the other side. Man, that slide took the breath out of me, man. Whew. This place is crazy hot, man. Looking for whoever the hell's in this place. I'm not really sure where we're supposed to go from here, but it was kind of a tough ride up, so we're just... You see something? What the hell? Oh, fuck. You see that, man? I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in after him. You son of a bitch. Did you eat those Cheetos, you goddamn son of a bitch? Camera guy, you alright? We're having a tough time, aren't we? Well, I'm noticing there's nobody fucking up here. So, it looks like we just fucking wasted our time. Yeah, it looks like we arrived a little bit too late, so... You see that shit? You see that shit back there? Back behind you. Back behind you. You see it? Oh shit. No, come on. Clancy, no! Clancy! Clancy, no! No, Clancy! Clancy! Alright, so Clancy's gone. And I can't find him. I've been barreling through this place for about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna go check the top one last time. Shit. Shit. What the fuck? What the hell? Oh my god. No! No, Clancy! Clancy, no! Who the fuck was that?
You never should have come here, kid.
Is it? I know that voice. I'm gonna have to get the fuck out of here. This is too much for me. Ugh. God damn son of a bitch. Gotta get the fuck out of here. Fuck, man. God damn it. I made it out, guys. I haven't seen Clancy for a little while, but I'm gonna keep looking.